got one row on this side done. I'm gonna move on to the other side. These last two sides are not gonna be pretty. I think it's on there pretty good. I'm okay with that. Okay, so I have one side done there, one side done there. Now I'm gonna do the next edge. Okay, I'm starting to get a bit afraid. This is very unhappy. Like, oh, super, super, super displeased. Oh, I know the issue is I'm not keeping it warm enough. I get that, but it's so hard. Oh no. Okay, that's okay. We're just gonna slowly heat things. Look how close we're getting. We've got 6 orange, 3 red. I'm gonna put more red on now, and then we'll just seal up these middle portions and we're done.